Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nuke for node-based compositing workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Nuke installer from the official Foundry website. Navigate to the Downloads section and select the appropriate version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to launch the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. Read the license agreement carefully and accept the terms to proceed. Choose the installation directory where you want Nuke to be installed. You can either accept the default directory or select a custom location. Select any additional components you wish to install based on your needs. Review your selections and click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is successful, you will see a completion message. Click the Finish button to exit the installer. Next, open Nuke for the first time by locating the application in your Programs or Applications folder. As Nuke launches, you may be prompted to enter your license information. If you have a license key, enter it as instructed. If you are using a trial version, you can select the option to start a trial. Once Nuke is running, explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its layout. Begin by creating a new project to start your node-based compositing workflow. Use the tool panel on the left to import your assets. Drag and drop your media files into the node graph to begin your composition. Experiment with different nodes to adjust and manipulate your layers. Save your project regularly to avoid losing your progress. Consider exploring tutorials and documentation available on the Foundry website for further learning. Your Nuke installation is now complete, and you're ready to dive into node-based compositing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.